Hey, welcome back to the No Code Minute. Thanks for staying tuned. Now that we have the data set up, we can start to display the data in a repeating group. Let's first start by adding a repeating group to the page. So here's the repeating group. We're going to go ahead and make that the same length as the other elements. And then what we have to do is put in the type of content here. So that's going to be a grocery store item. So it's going to just display a bunch of grocery store items, but it'll be a current user, their list of grocery store items. Okay, so that's how we're going to set up our grocery store item list here. Let's just bring this all the way down, give us some room to play with. Alright, okay, so our repeating group is set up, and stay tuned for tomorrow for making a grocery list part 5. Thanks for watching. Remember to please like the video and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Thanks.